Alright, this is the plan as of today for the helpme app. The helpme app is going to go in the No Framework app helpme directory. Now, I'm going to talk about two different apps, but I'm going to refer to them both as the helpme app. One is the command line helpme app, and the other is the web helpme app. When I say the helpme app without specifying which one, then I'm talking in general terms. Okay? So here I go. The helpme app will have two functionalities. It will tell me how and what to do. That's the first. The second is it will do it for me. I'll still have a PHP CLI script, and this script will use dialog, and it will be able to do stuff on the project code for me. Not only that, but it will also be able to manipulate the database for me too, as needed in order to help me. However, there will also be a web component, which is the web helpme app, using the sample code from the two PHP video courses, which will be used to enter text documents that will be searched and viewed via the PHP CLI script. The PHP CLI script will run in a loop so that PHP doesn't get reinterpreted with every response the user makes. The loop ends when the user chooses to quit. There is a video in my playlist, which is not one I made, which shows me how to make that loop. Here's my plan. Number 1. My app will run on production only. The web app and the CLI app, both of them will run on my production server only. I will have a copy locally, but that will just be a reference copy, and I may use it in order to be making changes to the code, which I will immediately use Git to synchronize it with the other copies. There are 3 copies of my code. There's one on my Mac, there's one on GitHub, and then there's one on the production server. Now, the reason that my app will run on the production only is because that is where the database is. Okay, so that's the first thing, is my app will run on the production only. The second thing is create the bus company or buscompa database on the production server. Third thing, create the database tables in order for the exercise, the code which I'm going to borrow from my exercises to work. Number 4, copy the source code from the second PHP video course to the server. The 5th thing I'll do is go through all the videos from that course to test the web app. And that's the second PHP video course. The 6th thing I'll do is make improvements to the web app based on the first PHP course, which is the PHP Basics. 7, I will go through both courses again, documenting in my new web app everything in helpme fashion. In other words, I'll create the text database with the text knowledge which will be used for the helpme app. The 8th thing I'll do is save backups of my production database. Now I'm going to speak generally. The web helpme app will be just for entering text and navigating to that text via a navigation bar. However, the CLI app should be able to retrieve the helpme text and help me accomplish making changes to the database and the source code. That's it.